video on this little Platte River, South Platte River snake here. Been up here all day, moving around, as you can see him right there. No tail and head. Comes up here, and I believe he's a water marcus. He done tried to make his little move on me several times. And this time he done come up on the rocks out the water with his head right there. Now, I don't know if it's a water marcus, a river, South Platte River water marcus, or some other kind of river snake, but you can see a good shot of him right there. Every time I come to him, he goes back in those little rocks right there, as you just seen him go back down in there. So he went back up under the rocks.